From grove to glass, watch how every drop of extra virgin olive oil is brought to life with care and precision.
Welcome. Today we follow the complete journey of how true original olive oil is made.
Every bottle begins in groves like these, where trees mature for decades. To protect quality, farmers harvest olives with minimal force.
Modern tools speed up the harvest while preserving fruit integrity.
Once gathered, the olives are collected immediately to avoid oxidation.
Initial sorting ensures only the best fruit enters the process.
With the harvest complete, the olives move quickly to the mill. Speed matters. Fresh olives create superior oil.
This region supplies thousands of tons of olives each season.
These olives will be pressed within hours of picking. Now, the journey from grove to mill begins.
Next stop, the processing facility where olives become oil.
Freshly harvested olives must reach the mill quickly to preserve their natural antioxidants. Even in modern production, olive oil remains an agricultural heritage rooted in rural communities.
Soon, the olives will enter a fully controlled environment.
Every batch is registered and logged for traceability. A seamless transition from farm to processing ensures freshness.
From here, the olives move into a controlled unloading system. Speed remains key. Olives must be crushed before heat or air degrades them. Inside these walls, the transformation from fruit to oil begins. The olive's first stop is removal of debris collected in the orchard. Next, the olives undergo a thorough cleaning process. Clean olives are essential for producing high-quality original olive oil. This modern facility handles thousands of tons of olives every season. Strict hygiene standards begin at the very entrance.
Every person entering the facility must meet safety and cleanliness protocols.
Consistency in protective gear maintains the purity of the oil.
Behind these doors lies the heart of the olive transformation.
Now, the olives enter the heart of the facility, where raw fruit begins its journey into oil.
This is where olives begin their journey into pure oil. Airflow removes remaining leaf fragments without harming the fruit. Human inspection guarantees only clean, healthy olives continue. Gravity and precision feeders move olives efficiently into the crusher. Next, olives enter the stage where their oil is released.
Kneading allows the tiny oil droplets to merge, forming the first visible traces of pure olive oil. Technicians carefully track every minute to maintain the highest extra virgin standards.
The decanter spins at thousands of revolutions per minute, forcing each component apart by density. The crusher breaks olives into a fine paste while protecting aroma compounds. Inside, high-speed blades turn the fruit into uniform pulp. Some mills combine classic stone methods with modern machinery. The paste now moves toward the gentle mixing phase that develops flavor. Here, the olive paste begins slow mixing to encourage natural oil separation. This controlled motion helps tiny oil droplets merge into larger ones.
Strict temperature control preserves the oil's aroma and nutritional quality.
Once mixed, the paste travels to high-speed separation. Inside, the paste is spun at thousands of revolutions per minute. The force separates oil from water and residual solids. Nothing is wasted. Byproducts later become fertilizer or fuel.
Excess water is processed safely to protect the environment.
Finally, the first pure stream of extra virgin oil appears.
A small sample is tested instantly for clarity and aroma.
To achieve purity, the oil now passes through fine filters.
Filtration removes microscopic particles left after centrifugation.
Now the purified oil moves toward its protected storage environment. The separator purifies the crude emulsion, isolating a cleaner, brighter form of olive oil.
These are the very first purified drops, rich, aromatic, and unmistakably authentic.
The clean oil now rests briefly, allowing microscopic particles to settle naturally.
Every batch is monitored closely to guarantee purity before the final filtration stage. Here, the olive oil undergoes its final purification, removing the last microscopic impurities.
These filtration systems ensure the oil emerges crystal clear and ready for storage. Every batch is sampled to verify that purity, aroma, and color meet strict standards.
The oil is now temporarily stored in controlled tanks, protected from oxygen and light. Nitrogen flushing preserves the oil's fresh flavor and nutritional properties.
Precise environmental control ensures the oil's quality remains consistent during storage.
From storage tanks, the oil travels toward its final packaging, maintaining purity throughout.
Automated filling ensures every bottle receives the correct volume without spillage. Precision technology fills each bottle carefully, preserving aroma and consistency.
Sealing the bottles protects the oil from contamination and maintains freshness.
Accurate labeling identifies each bottle and ensures traceability.
Every bottle undergoes rigorous inspection to guarantee top quality.
After inspection, the bottles are safely moved to controlled storage, awaiting shipment. Finally, the oil is securely stored, ready for the final stages of automation and dispatch. The oil now enters the high-tech automation hall, where precision ensures every bottle meets exacting standards.
Robotic sorting ensures flawless organization before final packaging.
This system ensures that every pallet is stable, reducing damage during transport. Robots efficiently stack boxes in precise arrangements for storage or shipment.
Wrapped pallets are secured for safe handling and storage. Driverless forklifts move pallets efficiently, integrating seamlessly with the automated system. Pallets are safely stored in organized racks, ready for future dispatch. Operators oversee the entire automated process, ensuring efficiency and safety at all times. Safety protocols allow rapid intervention without compromising product or personnel. With precision restored, the automated system continues production flawlessly, leading toward the final finishing stages. Here, each bottle undergoes precision checks to ensure perfect quality before final packaging. Advanced optical systems detect even minor imperfections, ensuring only flawless bottles move forward. Caps are tested for correct torque, guaranteeing the oil remains sealed and fresh.
Polishing ensures the bottles are visually pristine and ready for consumers.
Secondary label checks prevent misprints and maintain professional presentation. Shrink-wrap sleeves protect the cap and ensure tamper evidence for every bottle. Every bottle is coated with batch and expiry information, enabling complete traceability. The final inspection line ensures that every bottle meets exacting standards before packaging. Automation ensures speed, precision, and uniformity in every pack. Sealed cartons protect the bottles and preserve quality during storage and shipment. Each carton is scanned to ensure accurate labeling and batch traceability.